Okay, now see this question. Ball A is dropped from the top of a building. At the same instant, ball B is thrown vertically upwards from the ground. When the balls collide, they are moving in opposite directions and the speed of A is twice the speed of B. At what fraction of the height of the building from the ground did the collision occur? So let's draw the diagram. This is your building. Okay, this is the building. So this is your ball A. Okay, and this is the ball B. Right. Then ball B has been thrown upwards with velocity u. Now, when the ball reaches a certain point, the ball B reaches the same point. Okay, and now they have velocities v1 and v2. Okay, so in the question, what is given that speed of A is twice the speed of B. That is v1 is equal to 2v2. This is the first equation that we will be using. Now let's assume that the balls collide at a height y from the bottom. Okay. Then for the ball A, I can write down that final velocity square minus initial velocity square equal to 2g into, let's write the values first. This is y and the height of the building is h. So for the ball A, I can write down v1 square minus 0 square equal to 2g h minus y. Okay. Similarly, for the ball B, I can write down v2 square minus u square equal to 2 minus 2gy. Minus sign for B because its acceleration is downwards while it is going up. So now let's simplify the equation for B. So for B, we can write down V2 is equal to V1 by 4, or we could write down V2 square is equals to U square minus 2gy. Okay, and since V1 square equal to 4V2 square from equation 1, from this equation we get this part. Okay, and V1 square is what? 2gh minus y. So 2gh minus y equal to 4 times u square minus 2gy. Okay, so 2gh minus 2gy equal to 4u square minus 8gy, or 2gh plus 6gy is equal to 4u square. So I get from here now u will be root of g by 2 h plus 3y. Okay, now let's look at one more type of equation that we need. The time taken for A to follow this height will be equal to time taken for B to go through this height. So in this time, velocity of A changes from 0 to v1 while velocity of B changes from u to v2. So we can write down time t as for the ball A v1 by g, and for the ball B u minus v2 by g. Okay, so basically v1 plus v2 is equal to u, or v2 is v1 is 2v2, so 3v2 is equal to u, or 9v2 square is equal to u square. Now I can put the value of v2 square. So v2 square is what? v2 square is u square minus 2gy. So 9u square minus 18gy is equal to u square, or 8u square equal to 18gy, or u square is equals to 9 by 4gy. But from this formula, u square is g by 2 into h plus 3y. G by 2 into h plus 3y. So now we have a relation between h and y. Okay, so g will cancel out. So 9y equal to 2h plus 6y, or 3y equal to 2h, or y equal to 2h by 3. So the fraction will be 2/3 of the total height.